Gold prices rose in all major currencies Friday, adding 0.5% for the week against a falling US dollar, as Russia continued its latest assault on Ukrainian city Kharkiv. Foreign aid began reaching refugees from Israel's war in Gaza, and comments from Federal Reserve policymakers jarred with growing signs of a slowdown in the world's largest economy. China and Japan's stock markets ended the day higher, but Western equities slipped after New York's Dow Jones Industrial Average yesterday peaked above the 40,000 level for the first time ever, only to end the session 0.1% lower overall. Crude oil prices edged higher for the week, while longer-term borrowing costs held on track for their lowest weekly close in 6, as 10-year US Treasury yields offered new buyers 4.39% per annum. With interest rates where they are, they should really be hurting gold, says one trading advisory. This tells me that the bid behind gold is not about interest rates cuts, as these are being pushed back, but more a function of geopolitical tensions. Global gold demand has not grown at all by weight during the past decade, says analysis from Swiss private bank Julius Baer. So gold's record-breaking rally can be explained by an increase in buyers' willingness to pay, spiced up with some speculation. Following Wednesday's weaker-than-expected U.S. inflation and retail sales data, new figures yesterday said industrial output flatlined in April, while new building permits fell instead of rising as analysts forecast. China's industrial output today jumped past consensus expectations with 6.7% annual growth for April, but growth in the number 2 economy's retail sales slowed hard, as house prices dropped 3.1% year-on-year, and fixed asset investment also missed forecast. Japan's economy shrank 2.0% per year in real terms in the first 3 months of 2024, thanks to prices rising 3.6%. Unemployment in Australia rose back to 4.1% in April, matching January's 2-year high. U.S. economy activity strengthened, and by more than anticipated, said Cleveland Federal Reserve Bank President Loretta Mester on Thursday, speaking about regional Midwestern reports. How much downward pressure is monetary policy putting on the economy? That's an unknown, said Minneapolis Fed President Neil Kashkari in separate remarks. That tells me we probably need to sit here for a while longer until we figure out where underlying inflation is headed. The Fed has to be patient and vigilant, agreed Raphael Bostic, Bank of Atlanta president. There is still a lot of pricing pressure in the economy, but businesses say they are at the limits of pricing power and not able to fully pass through input costs. With gold priced in US dollar terms trading at $2,384 per troy ounce Friday morning in London, the UK gold price in pounds per ounce showed a 0.5% drop from last weekend at £1,884, while the euro gold price was dead flat at €2,200. Silver meantime held on to this week's steep jump, trading at $29.70 and heading for the highest weekend level since early 2013. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.